my sweet mama. My daddy was a good old man, but he died since I was one. So you see, it was my mother alone with the responsibility in her hand. She said we had to finish send us to school. She didn't want us to grow like fools. And now I've got to give thanks for the good things she has done. Oh mama, I love you too, and I know you love me too. Oh mama, mama won't make you blue. I wish that every mother was as sweet as you are. I know you're my shining star. Stay by me, never go too far. Oh mama, you can depend on me now, 'cause I see you've tried your best. Now it's up to me to do the rest. Mama taught us how to pray. I can remember your mama saying, our Father, give us this day our daily bread and all our necessary needs. Oh Jah, I beg you please, the one that's all mama.
Baby, we play first. Hey boy, I saw thief. Oh yeah, can't thief. Why you want thief? Oh yeah, can't thief. Fight!
Me time for tell if you stay away from the road thing there, you know.
You are going like fear pitney I see and
You know what? Me not even about to argue with you, you know.
go along, yeah, your pitney I see him thing.
You see, you make people come take liberty on me. The pitney rule like in that way they are prison. And you not here if you stop licking with the boy there. Today, you are going to country go live with your granny. Come on. Come, Richie, go and go bed. Ridiculous. Okay, your granny, man. Your granny work on you. It's a bag of boy. Hey, boy, you're not hurry up and done bed.
Yes, man.
Hurry up, man. If you think you're not going to catch today, make a sad mistake. Come, son, you ready? Come. All right. I'm going to pray with you before you left. Your grandmother is a praying woman. And I know she's going to teach you how to be obedient. You hear? All right, come. Come, son. Father God, keep him and guide him, cover him. Let him learn of you the way to go. Let him be obedient to grandma. Let him be obedient.
Anyone inside here? Hello?
That God, when he grows, he'll be so successful in life.
Hi, inside there, anyone around?
These mercies I pray and ask you for in Jesus' name. All right, my son.
Oh, see you later, come on.
Good afternoon, yes.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes, I am Detective Jensen, and this is Inspector Soden. Yes.
Good afternoon. Afternoon. What is this about now? What?
Hold. Good afternoon, ma'am. My understanding is that you have your son to beat up the one picnic every day.
Jesus, what a pile!
Oh, hold on. Calm down.
Officer,
all right, calm down.
Officer, the two of them are friends, and they always play together.
All right, calm down. I want to have a talk with you. Hold a minute. my understanding that you take your pitney and beat a woman pitney every day. What is a warfare around this place?
Officer, let me tell you the truth. The two look up at my friend. They always a play together, but I just a pilot stay. She love war like her baby father when they are prison.
Calm down. So as two big parents, you can't work out that with two little pitney. You want the pitney come work and grow up in this environment, man.
I know me.
I notice you pack bag. Where you not go? Where you go with them?
Officer, me I see them go country go live with them granny, you know. Cause me tired of this. Every day are the same thing. Me tired of it. Me tired.
Hold on. You know it's not a bad idea. If you want something good to come out of your pitney, you might as well move from this environment, you know. I believe it's a good idea. You know something, Sergeant? Sergeant, come here. Sergeant, we have a little petty issue here, sir, man.
Yes.
Two big grown-up women have two little pitney. You know when you little youth a grow?
Yes.
And them have little playing and a fight, but them not maturity, man. Deal the little petty matter, man.
Yes.
And report back to me.
Yes.
Good news, man.
All right. What's it?
She said she has sent her son a country. Is that a bad idea?
Sharon.
Oh, Sharon. All right. Come
Yes,
here, Miss
sir.
Sharon. You know, it's not a bad idea, though. Sending your son to live with his grandmother in the country there, it's a good idea, you know?
Come me can't bother, officer. Me can't bother the foolishness.
Proceed, but I'll check back with you another time, though, yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right, good, wonderful.
That damn girl Paul.
Oh, yeah. Grandma! Grandma! Gram!
Yes.
What, Grandma? Guess what?
Yeah, what?
The bank people them impressed with the business plan.
Eh?
Yes, man, we get $5 million approved from them.
Oh, what are you saying?
Yes, man.
Come here, we got
All
talk.
right, come here. Yes, Grandma.
The bank people then.
Boy, Grandma, them impressed with the business plan and them say, man, give me $5 million to start a business.
Eh?
Yes.
What a good thing, my boy. Your mother did carry you, come give me when you are 13 years old. Eh? But nobody ungrateful to me, you know.
No, Grandma.
You see it?
No,
Because no found no ungrateful.
No, not me.
Yes.
Not me, do, Grandma.
All right? Uncle hope that you don't ungrateful to your grandmother.
No, Mom, no.
Okay? Yes. I love you.
Love you, Grandma. Boy, you know, I wonder where Steve and them youth are going with though, Grandma. You know, so many if you give them a visit though, for they see me turn big businessman, me bust out of the pack now, Grandma.
Yes.
No, man,
yes.
me need to give them a visit, man.
Yes.
Me need to bet them see what I become now.
All right.
Yeah, man, coming up. I don't know what I'm do them life right now. I'm want to see them go do something in their life. I need to see them right now.
Yes.
Yes,
Go
man.
and go give them a, go link them.
Yeah, man,
Go give
I'll
them
do that,
a,
man.
yes.
All right, Grandma.
All right.
Welcome. Why? Hey. Chronics, left and right. Just how I come. Left and right. Because me laugh with them outside.
Jano, the Richie that. Oh, that Richie.
What on, fam?
Jano family, long time.
Awesome, man. Where are you?
There, dog. I
Yeah,
always
man.
know the linky them. You see me, I say,
Yeah.
my thing, man.
You know, so from what you do, me a reason myself, and I say, you know, someone with a real reason with your Steve.
Eh, so before a reason buy two juice, no, man.
A simple thing that, where you doing, man?
We
Come
don't
in,
try to
man.
miss my shop, look, I don't know, say, and this so we buy from where I look at you out. You see me, I say, them shop, I just
Come in, man. Go do that, man. Come in.
Represent for your true friend.
That me I say, you understand, Squaddy? Yeah, man. Hey, you see that you then had the task in the long shirt?
Oh, you strange boy. First me I see him now.
Yeah. You man a strange about you though. You know, say all the mother living in the area.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to tell you, say about 10 years ago a fight developed between the two of them when you see just that office. Yeah. And me between me and you. Then the mother said, look, send me the boy to our country, make him go live with his grandmother. He wouldn't come to nothing about you.
Oh, Zin.
Why look like things are going for him though still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We just hope and come back about you if you come live, you know.
That you say? All of them are criminal to me in a squad. As they slip a gunshot me I put in them.
Hey, squaddy. Nobody said anything them man. They say you have good pick me boy. Good pick me boy.
Well, as long as you don't come back boy, you have to live in a brother car. All of them are criminal to me and a gunshot me I put in all of them. You know, me I pray all of them squad.
Easy my boss, cool.
The Richie that. What going Richie?
Wait, Sandra, you this?
Yes.
Girl.
Long time I don't see you.
Sandra.
Oh, Jesus. Steve, what going?
Yeah, man, big up. See?
Yeah, I live good door.
Come on, say to go, man. You don't
Yeah, I
know.
saw the film. I like it.
Yeah, man.
So, Richie, we got too much money now?
Oh, I'm saying, man, a simple thing that we do, man. What you talk about, Sandra? Come on, hold on. Get a juice for the young girl. Yeah. Hold on for the juice over here. Yeah. Big up yourself. See it? Alright.
That's what got your food, Sandra.
You know, sir, $100 the boy take out, give me. $100. This can buy juice. No, sir. You mean? How much money you have in your pocket? No, sir. Anyways, let me call Paulette. Paulette, what make you pick the fufu so? Yes, girl. But just see Steve walk a good down the road with this same boy who beat him, turn him like idiot when he did little. Yes, the same boy who nearly kill him with lick. Then just pass me down the road. Then just go down the road down there so. Yeah. Anyways, you tired?
Hello, bad mind. Good morning.
Richie! Andrew, where there? Richie just killed Steve. Yes, but just took on him a while ago. In a lane laid down up there, so he killed him dead. Yes, tell everybody. Yes, he killed him.
Richard.
Oi!
1 minute there.
What going on, Andrew?
No, I said me there though.
Yeah, what?
Alright.
Yes, man, me good. What's up?
Yeah, you remember Steve?
Me remember Steve. Everybody know that the boy dead.
Saying that you're saying dead.
Steve dead. I will kill him, police.
You say Richie kill him.
Richie? Which Richie that?
Fear Richie.
Femi Richie?
Yes, Fear Richie.
Fear Richie, they are country. Much years now Richie not come up here.
Richie come here today and him go up in a lane and they say him kill him up in a lane.
Femi Richie?
Yes, Fear Richie.
That thing not look here. Me have better things to the right, you know. Me have a whole heap of things. Me not have time for them foolish. So we are talking about Femi Richie kill Steve. Hold on there. Hello? Oh, hold on. What you say? Richie killed Steve? My Richie killed Steve? That thing not go so. No, I know Richie. I know my Richie do that. Jesus. What is it? Oh God, no. No, God, no. Oh God, no, come on, me. No, my Richie. No.
One man is dead and another is in police custody following a shooting incident in Clarendon. Dead is 23-year-old Steve Davis of Captureland, Clarendon. Police say Davis was shot in Maypen at approximately 2 p.m. today. Davis and childhood friend Richard Carter were seen walking along the roadway when 2 gunshots were heard. An eyewitness to the shooting says she saw Carter flee the scene with a gun in hand. Captureland police are reporting that Davis's killing was done in retribution of a dispute between the 2 men. This dispute resulted in Carter being sent away from his home 10 years ago. Carter, who is a licensed firearm holder, has since turned himself in to the Captureland police.
This is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you.
6 months since in the prison, you know. And the thing just feel a way because me just to myself. Walking in the community, me feel like a ghost. Me don't even like it. Me just feel like I just stay in and just lock it to myself more time. You get me?
Daughter, I can just imagine where the eye I go through right now still, you know. And I feel it for the eye still. The real man.
Hold on the 1 minute. Hold on. Hello?
What about mommy?
My son? Where you there? You come out?
No man, it's a little phone to get, you know. Just call the healer and make you know everything. I will be alright, yeah.
Oh, it feel alright. You're there prison, Richie.
You are, me have to go in now, mommy. Just call, just make you know everything. I will be alright.
No, don't hang up. Richie, Richie!
Has Richie that call you a while ago?
Yeah.
So how you get phone?
Oh, you mean how you get phone? No, must the same people them will lock him up, bring phone, go give him.
It's a system of corrupt, eh? Might as well just let him out and done then. Because the same man is supposed to keep him in a prison. And him a commit a crime and still a walk free. That don't make no sense. Sure no.
Hey mama, hi mama. Oh my, oh mama don't cry. Gonna give you by the blood so high.
I must tell Jesus all of my trouble. I cannot bear these burdens alone. I must tell Jesus. I must tell Jesus. Jesus can help me. Jesus alone. God, call on you. Send help from your sanctuary. God, my son is beyond bars. Innocent, you know he is. God, open up a way, make a way, open a door that the truth can be known. God, my heart yearns for my child. Richie, Richie. Help him, God, while he is there. Help him to know you, help him to love you, help him to trust you. I believe, God, that there is a way out. Help him.
Miss Sharon! Miss Sharon!
Hello?
Afternoon, ma'am. Just a sec.
You really have a heart for come on my gate, come call me after you and your squad them lock up my son and send him to prison.
No,
Not all like that.
Miss Sharon, calm down, man. You know we're just doing our job, right?
So what brings you here? What?
No, I was just in the neighborhood. I'm just checking on to see, how you're coping,
Oh, me a cope.
Yeah,
Officer, my son there prison. Him get 25 years for something we him not do. Ask me again how me a cope.
Miss Sharon, you have to understand, You know the law work,
The law corrupt.
Yes, Miss Sharon, but it's not what you know, It's what you can prove in court of law. Miss Sharon, we have an eyewitness who placed your son at the scene. Right? He's the only one that came out from that lane. Right? So, what I tell you, common sense will show you say he's the only person that couldn't kill him.
Come on. Officer, my son is not a killer.
I know.
People just bad mind because he come out to something good. The man is a businessman. Him have a license for firearm. Every businessman walk with a firearm with a license.
I know, Miss Sharon, but rumors also have it that him use another gun and kill him. Not necessarily the same gun. Anyway.
And yet still people are going to talk, say, he reload it before he go turn in himself.
What I'll try and do is to do further investigation into the matter, and I'm sure if he's innocent, then we can have that conviction overthrown. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright, just go and hold the faith, man.
One thing I tell an officer, I'm just go and pray and trust God, Because I know the God I serve. My son, they behind bars, innocently. God, he knows where I'm enduring there. But me just go and pray.
I understand, Miss Sharon. I really do understand, and I can feel the pain, Miss Sharon. What I can do for you, as I was saying earlier, is that I will do further investigation into the matter, and if your son is innocent, we'll seek an overturn of his conviction.
You can see a man's face, but you can't see his heart. On them and them evil starts, them bad mind ways can't tear you apart. God always seen them heart. So represent for your true friend, represent for your real friend, So represent for your true friend. Not touch when a wolf in a new friend. Have to pick up on my friend them ever there. Me get a one food, yeah, the food I for share.
3 consecutive days now and no clue into this investigation. I don't think that boy would have killed his best friend though. Why, Father, if you could have just give me a clue, just a clue. Private number. Detective Jensen, how may I assist? Oh, hold on. Hello?
Hello, is this a policeman?
Yes, Detective Jensen, how may I assist?
Okay, don't talk, just listen.
Who is this?
If you want to hear what I have to say, don't talk, just listen.
Okay, go ahead.
You need to go back to the scene of the crime.
Which crime? Which one of the crime? Which one?
Richie's crime. The crime with Richie.
Yes, go ahead.
There's a camera there that may have caught something. You need to ask the woman there to show you the footage. And if she decides not to show you, you need to demand that she shows you. This is very important.
Okay.
Do not say no for an answer.
Okay, alright. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Bye.
Yes. Yes, miss. Yes. Could I speak to you a sec, please?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning. I'm Detective Jensen from the Captureland Police Station, and I realize that you have a camera here, and I'm doing an investigation, and I would like to know if I could get the footage for the last 6 months.
Apparently that camera is not working, you see up there.
Yes? Well, miss, my gathering of information is that this camera is working, and I would like to get that footage. Yes? Here.
Who are you, by the way?
Like I said, I'm Detective Jensen from the Captureland Police
Station. Can I
Station.
see identification of yours, sir?
Yes, you can. Alright, what I want you to do for me is to put all the footage on this thumb drive for me. Yes?
You're sure you can hold it?
Yes, man, definitely. It's big enough, and you can just, put all of it for me. Yeah? Thanks. Both camera now work. I should just lock up for withholding information,
Okay, sir. Here it is.
Thank you. Make certain that it's everything in a mess. Because remember, it's a criminal offense to withhold information. Alright? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.
Yes, you too.
Come in the community like you're a sweet boy. Let me get your money on your phone. Fall.
I Richie this in a dog. I Richie, who wanna grow up in that 1 year? What you deal with? What you deal with?
Stop shot. So them police I never realized I treat people. No man. So I hate him. Jesus.
He never failed me yet. He never failed me yet. What is that called? Hello?
Yeah, morning, Sharon.
Yes, it's Sharon. Who is this?
Yes, this is Detective Jensen from Captureland Police Station. Yes, you remember me?
Mr. Jensen, yes, sir.
Yes. Alright, listen now. I have some good news and I have some bad news. Which one would you like to hear first?
Give me the good news, at least break me there.
Alright, listen now. The good news is that I have uncovered some information that will definitely help to free your son.
Really?
Yes.
Oh God, thank you, Jesus. Okay.
You need to hire a lawyer, and you know it's gonna cost, right?
I saw that the bad news now. All right, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you, Jesus. Oh God. Oh God, thank you, Jesus.
Free us from captivity. All who got out the fuck the bracelets. Watch it. All who fled from the leash. Refugee, jump here. Say we now go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we are go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more.
To face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure, to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure. On and on we go, or hate we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime.